Last summer, my wife and I decided to take our children on a European vacation. One of the first stops we made was Munich. Here you see Marienplatz. This is one of the famous places where people gather. A trip to Munich is never complete without visiting the Hofbrauhaus. The kids loved it. On to Neuschwanstein Castle. Cinderella's castle is said to be based off of this wonderful piece of architecture. Venice, one of the most fascinating and beautiful places on earth. Where else can you have flying rats, land, and eat from your hands?
Bells will ring, ting-a-ling-a-ling, ting-a-ling-a-ling, and you'll sing Vita Bella. Hearts will play tippy-tippy-tay, tippy-tippy-tay, like a guitar.
My name is Maximus Decimus Meridius, commander of the armies of the North, general of the Felix Legions, loyal servant to the true emperor, Marcus Aurelius, father to a murdered son, husband to a murdered wife, and I will have my vengeance, in this life or the next.
Rome needs no introduction. This was one of my favorite places. The architecture is amazing, and the Colosseum is breathtaking. I'd like to say that this was a trip of a lifetime, but that would mean we would never go back. I hope you enjoyed this presentation on our family vacation.